Squaring a parallel vise. For this operation, you are going to need a dead blow hammer, a crescent wrench, large size, two bolts, 2 washers, 2 T-nuts, and your indicator. Start off, you move your vise in place, put your nuts together, so put them in the groove, against the vise. Same thing with the other one. Make sure you move all your work off of the table and onto the shelf in front. Make sure you tighten the one side of the parallel or of the vise. Next, take your indicator with a collet from the machine, 3/8 inch collet from the machine. Make sure the machine is clear of your vise. Insert the collet and indicator. Make sure it is on the low setting. Make sure your needle is set rearward so it can indicate on the ball of the needle. Then move your indicator into place. Hit your 0. Make sure your 0 is on the bottom half or beyond the upper side of the indicator. Now dial across. So now we're at 15, or close to 11, almost 12 thou over. So tap it until it goes back to 0. Now go back to where you started from. As you can see, it varies from your 0, from where you first started. So you have to re-zero the indicator. After re-zeroing the indicator, you tighten down on the other bolt just slightly to where it's hand tight. And then same operation as before, move. As you can see, we are closer, but not all the way there, so we give it another tap. Back to 0. Now we go back to our 0 mark. As you can see, we are within half a thou. That is acceptable, but I'm going to do it one more time for as you can see, it is to tolerance now.